Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago, and I have this image for subject today, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. Used filter called Find Edges. And I want to try some kind of oil painting like image from this. Well, I may use this pencil drawing type later on, so I'm going to turn it off right now. Then I'm going to make duplicate layer, then copy this and turn this base image off. I'm going to work on this image. Well, I'm going to convert to pixel layer, then pick some, this time oil paint brush, then I'm gonna go from outside with, let me see, oil paint round, no color, just touch here. Let me see the background here first. Check the brush. Yeah, I think this is alright. Mixing colors, maybe have, well, let's pick some color, then let me see, check it out. Yeah, okay, mixing color from surrounding outside, just checking brush and stuff. You see the texture, canvas texture already. Let's see, this is oil paint round, now oil paint flat. How's this one? Now oil paint flat. I cannot tell the difference. Flat and then round. Any difference? Can you see? Well, let me see the detail. Angle, qualify, canvas texture. Canvas texture is fine. It's the same here. It's maybe only the shape, huh? Round, flat. Oh, okay, yeah, just only the shape. What if I mix the colors? Yeah, shows nicer. This is flat, huh? Then round is just brushes round shape. Okay, just different shape. Mixing. Okay, make it bigger. Lot more bluer color because it's sky. That's interesting. Mixing colors. Let's put some different blues. Well, about this background. No colors now. I'm just mixing from background based image, just sort of smudging colors. Okay, from here, let's make it a little bit. I'm using round shape. Picking the color from the base image. Now using that word. Now again, round. Now feel some wind, so got a movement. Now using the filbert to smooth it out. Okay, I'm gonna touch up around detail. Now pick some colors. Let's see, oil paint detail. Okay, overall, I kind of like brush texture, so I'll paint flat. Now a little bit play around, touch up, and want to add some color. And beforehand, I'm going to check this pencil drawing type image. I want to change blend mode. Let's see what happened. This is darkened, of course, so we can see through underneath. Color burn, linear burn. So far it's not much difference. Darker color, lighten, screen, color dodge, linear dodge. Now it's opacity max. Overlay, let's go down about 50%. Now lighten up, usually overlay, next lighten up, soft light, hard light, then vivid light, pin light, subtract, divide. This makes it a little bit interesting. Well, this is hue. That's cool. Saturation, color, maybe more lighten up and a little bit more contrast on overlay, and also darken up, linear burn or color burn. Yeah, this is normal, 50% opacity. Well, I'm gonna just leave it overlay about 30% or so. Just clean up, and this is pencil drawing type image. Okay, I'm gonna add another layer here, add layer, then change, well, let's see, change the blend mode to color. Then I just wanna curious, I wanna paint with this oil paint round, and I wanna paint on this. This is sunset time, so I will put some orangish, little bit light color from the sun, like highlight area. Let me see how it looks like. What I'm doing now is just adding orange color. This is just a paint, but blend mode is color. And so I'm gonna clear this. Then again, I'm gonna paint on with pixel brush, basic to soft round size flow. Okay, let's see here now. Okay, and just one try. I want to add just work on here. Now overlay. Let's see more nicer painting. Okay, with the same soft round opacity now. Well, let's see. Let me turn this one down, then maybe I should put on this here with oil paint round or oil paint flat. Let me see. Just watching that opacity. Yeah, leave it opacity 80%, paint on oil paint brush, so we can paint mix with the other paint, like yellow, red, to blend in. Just soft round opacity eraser. I will erase here, that's too much. Okay, now go back, oil paint brush, which is Filbert. This is soft touch. Then go a little bigger, and let's see on this layer too, because it should yellowish on this here too. Well, change to oil paint round. Oops. About this. How's this now? Just touch orange. I guess that's more nicer, huh? Now I'm touching this base image just because of the, well, as if sunlight hits some. Then how about her hair too? Well, put this one here. This is color, right? Maybe yellowish. More maybe white. I kind of like this. Well, painting on the picture. Okay, now almost done for. I kind of like the feeling. Let me see here again. Opacity 30%. On, off, lighten up. This line comes from here, right? So I'm gonna fix this. Now it's overlay. I'm gonna go back to normal. Then just turn opacity 100%. Then I need to fill up rectangle. And here. Then check white. Now fill it. Oh, okay, change, convert to pixel layer. Now I can fill it. Okay, now again. How about here too? Fill, red, white. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now deselect. Then go back to brush. Change blend mode to overlay. Change opacity to 30. Now it gets done. We see that the black lines because this is overlay, but I don't mind. Well, okay. I'm gonna go back here, then change blend mode. Oh, overlay is fine, and let's see, create empty mask and invert mask. Now we only see all. Then I am gonna reveal this with soft round size flow, white 50% first, then bigger brush size. Then change opacity to 30%. Yeah. Okay, how's this? Yeah, I guess it's okay. Well, this is it for today, and thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea to make your own creative work, and I really appreciate you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.